All right, Skylar, here we go. Woo! Are we on this really windy highway? Woo! Going up to Sequoia to go look for some bears. You think we're gonna find a bear, Skylar? I don't know. Let's see if we can go find a bear. They say there's some at Crescent Meadow. We'll go look at Crescent Meadow, okay? Okay. Skylar, we're entering the giant forest. And there's a giant tree right there. We're there. We're in the giant forest. Now we gotta just find a bear. Are you ready to find a bear, Skylar? You see the marmot? Do you see the marmot? There he is. He's right there. Right through the tunnel, Skylar. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a tunnel through the big tree. You just went through a big old tree. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You like the flowers, Skylar? Do you like the flowers? What? It's just a camera. I'm just taking pictures of you, you know. There's the meadow. It's a pretty meadow. Yeah. Skylar, you're next to a big old tree again. Yeah. You see the bear yet? Those people said there's a bear over here. You keep looking, okay? Of course, you don't have the best eyesight. What? Skylar, you made it. Biggest tree on earth. And one of the littlest people on earth. That'd be you. This is where we took a picture of your mom. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Woo! You don't think it's funny anymore. Yeah. Skylar, it's a spring. Huh. Skylar, it's a little bit of water. You want to feel the water on your skin? Ooh, oh, that's cold. Is that too cold? Yeah. Was that a dirty trick? It's spring water, honey. Yeah. Kind of fun. Skylar, John Muir called this a gem in the Sierras. Crescent Meadow. Very lovely. We're supposed to find bears here. You see any bears? I don't see any bears. No, I don't see any bears. Skylar, do you see the bear? You see the bear? It's right over there. There he goes. She goes. She got her little babies with her. Oop. There's the bear. And there's a little cub. Yeah. It's a cub. There's the mama. Skylar, there's the bear. There's a little cub bear. Cub bear somewhere else. Skylar, it's a deer. I don't know. He's just sitting there. I'm gonna go around him. Hi, dear. Oh, dear.